What if gravity suddenly stopped for 7 seconds? What if gravity, the force that holds everything together, suddenly turned off? Not forever, not 4 minutes, just 7 seconds. It sounds harmless, but those 7 seconds would be enough to permanently change Earth and possibly end civilization as we know it. Let's break it down second by second. Second, 0 to 1. Everything lets go. The moment gravity disappears, everything not physically attached to Earth begins to float. People, cars, oceans, clouds, even the air. You're breathing. You wouldn't feel pain at first. Just sudden weightlessness, like being thrown into space. But Earth doesn't stop moving. Second 2 to 3. Earth keeps spinning. You don't. Earth rotates at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. Normally, gravity keeps you glued to the surface. Without it, the planet keeps spinning beneath you while you stay where you were. Cities begin sliding eastward beneath floating people. Skyscrapers crack. Bridges tear apart. This isn't an earthquake. It's the planet slipping out from under everything. Second 4 to 5. The oceans rise. Water, no longer held down by gravity, begins to lift into the sky. Entire sections of the ocean rise like massive walls of liquid, forming airborne tsunamis. The atmosphere starts expanding outward, slowly leaking into space. Planes lose control. Satellites drift off course. Weather systems collapse instantly. Second, 6 to 7. Earth starts to come apart. Without gravity holding it together, Earth itself begins to slightly decompress. The crust shifts. Magma moves. Internal pressures change. People may float tens or even hundreds of meters above the surface. And then, gravity comes back. The moment gravity returns, everything falls. At the same time, people, oceans, atmosphere, debris. But Earth is no longer aligned with where everything was. So objects don't land where they started. They slam into the planet at extreme speeds. Air becomes shockwaves. Oceans crash back as global megatsunamis. Floating debris becomes planet-wide bombardment. This single moment would cause more destruction than any asteroid impact in history. Here's the terrifying truth. The most dangerous part isn't the 7 seconds without gravity. It's the instant gravity returns. Gravity isn't just a force. It's the silent rule that keeps reality stable. Without it even briefly, Earth becomes a weapon against itself. So next time you stand still, feeling nothing at all, remember, gravity is working every second to keep the world from tearing itself apart. 7 seconds without it would be enough to prove that.